Alright, so here's my third example of trigonometric integrals. Uh, I've got some guidelines here. If you want to hear an explanation, a quick explanation of these guidelines, watch the first example. I'll go over these guidelines in that one. So in this example, we're going to use this third one, okay, where the exponent of the sine and cosine is an even number, and so we'll use these are the half angle identities from trig. All right, so let's look at our example. So I have cosine to the fourth x dx. Now notice in my formula I have cosine squared x is equal to 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. Okay. All right. So I need to get a cosine squared. Okay. I need to get a cosine squared. So here I'm going to rewrite this as cosine squared x times cosine squared x. Alright, now you see the cosine squared x and the cosine squared x? I can replace both of these with this formula here. So this is going to give me 1 plus cosine 2x over 2, oh, sorry, left my dx off, times 1 plus cosine 2x over 2 dx. Okay, let me erase this formula here. Alright, so now what I need to do is I need to FOIL these out. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. Let me write it as 1/2 plus cosine 2x over 2 times 1/2 plus cosine 2x over 2 dx. Alright, I just split those fractions up. Now I can FOIL these out. So I get 1/2 times 1/2 is going to give me 1/4, and then here 1/2 times cosine 2x, that's going to give me cosine 2x over 4. This is going to give me cosine 2x over 4, so that's going to be 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2 over 4, so that's going to be 1/2 cosine 2x plus 1/4 cosine squared 2x dx. Alright, now notice here I have this squared term, so I'm going to have to rewrite this into this form also. Now if you look at the formula, you see this x term here, and that's the 2x. So what we're doing here is we're multiplying this by 2. Okay, so here I'm going to have 1/4 plus 1/2 cosine 2x plus 1/4 times, okay, that's going to be 1 plus, now instead of cosine 2x, it's going to be cosine of 2 times 2x. So that's where that 4x comes from, and that's over 2. And then this is all with respect to x. Alright, so let's clean this up a little bit so we can integrate it. So here I have 1/4 plus 1/2 cosine 2x plus, and then I'm going to distribute the 1/4. And just remember, this right here can be written as 1/2 plus cosine 4x over 2. Okay, and I distribute the 1/4. Alright, so that's going to give me 1/8 plus 1/8 cosine 4x dx. Alright, and so now I'm going to get 3/8. All I did here is I added the 1/4 and the 1/8 here. That gave me 3/8 plus 1/2 cosine 2x plus 1/8 cosine 4x dx. Alright, so now it's ready to where we can integrate this. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to split them up. So that's going to be the integral 3/8 dx plus 1/2 cosine 2x dx plus 1/8 cosine 4x dx. Okay, I just went ahead and this 1/8 and this 1/2, I just put it on the outside of the integral. We can do that. Alright, so now to integrate this and this, I'll use substitution. Remember how to do that? So for this part, I'm going to let u equal 2x. So du is equal to 2 dx. And for this one, instead of using u, I'll use a v. I'm going to let v equal 4x. So dv is equal to 4 dx. Okay. So now you see the du equals 2 dx. Well, all I have here is a dx, so I need to multiply by 2. And since I multiplied by 2, I have to come out here and multiply by the reciprocal, 1/2. And that's the same thing as multiplying by 1. And then the same thing here. I've got a 4 dx, so I need to multiply by 4. So I have to come out here and multiply by 1/4. And so substituting everything in, I'm going to get 3/8 dx plus 1/4, and then that's going to be cosine u du. So I'll put the du in for 2x plus 1/32 cosine u du. I put the 4 dx in for the, I'm sorry, shouldn't be a u, should be a v, and that should be dv. Alright, so I put a v in for 4x and put the dv in for 4 dx, and now I can integrate it. And so, well, this is just 3/8 x plus 1/4, and then the antiderivative of cosine is sine, so that's sine u plus 1/32 sine v, and that's plus c. Now, I need my final answer in terms of x, so in the place of u, I'm going to put 2x, and in the place of v, I'm going to put 4x. And so that's going to be 3/8 x plus 1/4 sine 2x plus 1 over 32 sine 4x, and then plus our constant term c. And this would be our final answer. So I hope this video's helped. Check out my other two videos, the first and second example, and I'm going to do some more examples of some trigonometric integrals. All right, thanks.